Electrical installation usually comes after wall framing is complete and mechanical ducts and plumbing piping have been put in place. In this video, we will cover the main points of installing Romex cable within framed walls in a home. Electrical boxes, which can host outlets, light switches, and light fixtures, are put in place. They are affixed to the wall or ceiling framing. Once all boxes are in place, wiring is installed. The wires run through the walls, floors, and attic to all the electrical points on the main panel to those boxes. In order to run the wire through the walls, floors, and attic, holes are drilled into wood studs. If metal studs are used, grommets must be put in place so the wire does not rub against the metal surface. Rubbing against the metal surface may cause wearing of the protective plastic jacket of the Romex cable, which can lead to a hazardous situation. At this point, the electrician pulls the wires into each electrical box, but does not install the outlets, switches, or fixtures. An inspection is usually required after all electrical roughing is complete to assess the electrical distribution before drywall is installed. Remember that all local codes and inspection requirements need to be followed. The electrician will come back after wall finish to wire each outlet, switch, and install other electrical equipment and fixtures. Like other MEP tasks, electrical wiring can be seen as a two-step process during construction. The roughen phase, where wires are pulled from the panel and from box to box, and a finish phase, during which fixtures, outlets, switches, and other equipment will be installed.